Go Carpet Cleaning in Buckhead, Georgia. Go Carpet Cleaning has been cleaning up carpets in houses throughout Atlanta, bringing years of experience to every task, and a relentless dedication to client service. We want to make certain that our customers are 100% satisfied with the carpet cleaning service that we supply. And we guarantee total satisfaction on each and every job. When you call our carpet cleaning company, our skilled specialists are expert cleaners in hot water extraction as a cleaning technique which removes spots by completely cleaning the fibers of your carpet, in a non-hazardous method with no severe chemicals. For the best carpet cleaning, call Go Carpet Cleaning. We utilize a black light to see any pet stains, even those that might not be visible to the naked eye. And after that, we utilize our devices to gently agitate the carpet fibers, ensuring your carpets are clean of all pet discolorations wherever possible. Contact us today for a totally free quote. For carpet cleaning in Buckhead, contact Go Carpet Cleaning. Our carpet cleaning services in Buckhead are detailed and safe, and we work to guarantee our clients are pleased before we leave any job. We have great news. We do more than carpet cleaning. Contact us to learn more about our additional cleaning services. Visit our website gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com or call us at 678-818-5698.